Hey guys, welcome to A Day in My Life. This video was filmed in August, so due to going back to school and other variables, A Day in My Life is quite different to how it was back in August now. If you want to see a more up-to-date day in life, let me know. I wake up at 7:18, then proceed to spend the next hour lying in bed, brushing my teeth, and showering. I eventually make it downstairs at 8:18 to make a morning coffee. Last month, I got a new coffee machine, but to be honest, sometimes I still prefer to have coffee the old-fashioned way. How do you like to do your coffee? I also make breakfast in that time. I make a tuna cheese toastie for breakfast. I then eat my breakfast while watching some tech tips. Thanks, Linus. I now know some more tech tips. At 8:58, I finish my breakfast and I decide to start doing some coding before I go out swimming later. I then start to do some more coding in Go. I'm starting to learn Go as it looks like a fun language to learn, and each day it's getting more and more popular. I'm coding a server to say hello when your name in Go. I'm trying to figure out why it won't work. Turns out, I thought the hello is a part of the import statement. Yeah, I know, I'm a bit of an idiot. What can you expect? At 10:12, I set my focus leaving as I need the loo. After I finish on the loo, I spend the next couple of minutes looking for my swimming stuff, getting ready to go out while listening to some John Mayer. At 10:48, I leave to go swimming. I didn't have any b-roll of me swimming, so imagine a big white marshmallow swimming.
Ooh, self-burn. Those are rare.
On my way back from going swimming, I also got lunch. I forgot to get b-roll of me having lunch, so enjoy this meal that I cooked for lunch and not for the purpose of this video, definitely. I unplugged my Mac Mini as I'm filming b-roll for M1 Mac Mini 6 months later. That video did come out on the channel a few weeks ago, so make sure to check it out if you haven't yet. 2:43, I start to look over the script to see all the different b-roll shots I need to get, and well, that was a lot. 3:50 is when I start the huge big task of the day, shooting b-roll for M1 Mac Mini 6 months later video. Luckily, I noticed I already have a few clips on previous videos, and that's why I always like to keep clips on previous videos, because you never know when they're going to come in handy again. Okay, so I guess this is a little update on the white magic keyboard 1. So you can see it gets weird dirt, like, quite a bit. So it's pretty hard and annoying to clean sometimes, but I do kind of rub it down every so often. And look, I just noticed, took off my iPad for a bit, just noticed this weird stain, so probably have to clean that. And also if you look over it here, why don't you focusing? There you go. Oh. Look over here, there's like, yeah, weird gunk on that key. I don't know how to clean that. It's really, really annoying. Oh, and there's weird stuff back there. And now the spacebar, that's like my major issue with this, is it feels like there's someone kind of stuck underneath the spacebar every so often. So it feels like there's like a crumb, kind of like the butterfly keyboards and they had issues. You have to press it a lot like this, and it goes back to normal, but then a day or two later it comes back. So, to be honest, I kind of wish I went with the black one again. Well, not again, but I kind of wish I stuck with the black one. And also, this is when I accidentally dropped my MacBook on here. Luckily, it still works fine. And I'm not paying probably a ridiculous price from Apple to get that fixed. So, Magic Keyboard update after 1 month, 2 months, I don't even know. At 4:52, I start to procrastinate and start by watching Matt D'Avella's latest video. After being inspired by Matt D'Avella's latest video, I get back to filming b-roll. Okay, so a little behind the scenes, I guess. So, there's you guys in the future. Well, past, I don't know when this is going to be released, that's what you're saying. I need to put my MacBook in this bag for some b-roll. So, that's just a little behind the scenes, going to do a slow motion, I'm big brain. Time lapse me doing this probably be like 5 seconds, but still, I'm an idiot, everything takes forever. Doggy! One, ain't there? Other dogs in here. She says hello. So, well, it looks like I wasn't an idiot, that only took 2 takes. But now I gotta take all of this stuff back upstairs. I gotta take the tripod, iPad, MacBook, bag, this phone, and this. First world problems. Till 5:43 when I called a friend on Discord and help him set up Notion. And I even boot up the PS4 for a bit, which is quite rare for me. I barely ever boot up the PS4 these days. Hello there. I've been procrastinating for 3 hours, 2 hours. So that was fun, but I really want to finish filming the b-roll and possibly edit the A-roll, although it is 9:25 p.m. So probably just gonna finish filming the B-roll, and then probably what else do I need to do? Let me know what else I want to do today. Oh, that was it. I wanted to also clean my windowsill. So can't see it, but if you look at it in person, it do be kind of disgusting. Also, currently watching a Primogen stream. Do rate. Alright, so it's currently 11:14, and well, I've almost finished. I just need to do one more bit of B-roll and the thumbnail, hella quick. Probably just gonna shoot a photo, edit it tomorrow. But that's basically it, and then I am finished for the day. But right now, I'm kind of in a mood to make a chai tea or something. So, to the tea cupboard I go. Alright, so time for a to-do list check. Did that. Did not do that. Did that. Need to do that now, even though it's 2 days overdue. So I'm just probably going to leave that for tomorrow. And do that, yeah, tomorrow. When I edit everything tomorrow. Yeah. Guess that's it. So I shall give you guys an outro now. So that's it, I guess. That's kind of day in my life. So each day is obviously very different, and each day is very different tasks. And most days I don't procrastinate this much as I did today, considering I only just finished at 11:45 doing everything. But you know, hey, sometimes these things happen. But tomorrow it's gonna be a fun edit. No, 40 minutes of A-roll. That's gonna be fun to trim down. And then all the video I took today, need to edit. And then a Sunday, probably gonna edit all this footage from this vlog, which is quite a lot. So, gonna be fun. Not really, but you know what you're gonna do. So, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. See you later.